It's very late already, but there is a single light in some windows. Visit every house and help anybody fall asleep who lives there. The kittens don't want to go to sleep. They're playing with ghosts. Let's play with them. Tap on the ghosts. Tap more. Tap more. Continue. The kittens have played long enough. It's time to put your toys up and go to bed. Help the kittens. Put the toys in order. Pudding doesn't want to sleep. He wants to eat something tasty. Oh, the kittens have spilled the flour, and now Pudding doesn't feel like eating anymore. But this is okay, because eating late is not healthy. Now, we need to clean up the kitchen. Help the kittens. Put everything in order. Wipe the flour off with your finger. Continue. Continue. The kitchen is very clean. Now it's time to sleep. Put the kittens to bed. Tap on the kittens. Continue. Continue. Play a lullaby for the kittens. Move the handle of the barrel organ. The kittens fell asleep, and now they will have very sweet dreams. If you want to eat something before going to bed, better wait until tomorrow and not go to the kitchen. Now, you can turn off the light. Good night, kittens. At the end of the day, Mommy is still active. That's why she can't sleep. Let's help Mommy use her energy for sports exercises. Choose the exercise. Tap the screen. What exercise do you want to do? Tap the screen. Choose the exercise. Tap the screen. All right, Mommy is tired. It's time to have an evening shout. Help Mommy put her tracksuit on the hanger. Give the shower gel to Mommy. Give the towel to Mommy. Give the robe to Mommy. Now Mommy can go to bed. If you have a lot of energy at the end of the day, it's better to use it for some hobbies. After that, going to bed becomes very pleasant and dreams are sweet and interesting. Now, you can turn off the light. Daddy isn't sleeping. He is busy with inventing the recipe for a new dessert. Let's help him. Find the source of inspiration for Daddy. Tap on all the objects. A good idea could be anywhere. The window is foggy. Let's wipe it. Daddy is inspired by the night sky. Open the window to see the stars clearly. A shooting star. Make a wish. Daddy has an idea. He's created a cake with the name Shooting Star. Daddy needs to find all ingredients for the cake and then bake it. The lamp's gone out in the cellar. Find all the ingredients with a flashlight. Use a flashlight to find what's inside the jars. Find the correct ingredients. That's just what we're looking for. Keep searching. We don't need this. Keep searching. That's just what we're looking for. This is not correct. This is not correct. That's just what we're looking for. That's just what we're looking for. Keep searching. You found the ingredients. Let's choose a new flavor for the new cooking masterpiece. Tap on the jars to choose the ingredients. That's just what we're looking for. That's just what we're looking for. This tastes delicious. The taste is wrong. This is not correct. Daddy can't sleep because he thinks about his new cooking masterpiece. Turn on a lullaby for Daddy. Daddy fell asleep. Now he understands that a good idea could be anywhere. You just need to look around and find your inspiration in everyday things. Now, you can turn off the light. Good night, Daddy.
Good night and bye-bye, kids.